Hello everyone, I am Misha Allen. If you subscribe to me, that is my channel's name. And I am gonna be washing my hair today and styling it with the same products. So today we're gonna be testing out these Donna Recipes products. All of these products separately. I've never used them all together combined. So what I'm going to do is wash my hair and condition it, and then use this curling cream to style my hair. Now I'm going to do a twist out because you're supposed to be able to use this curling cream like right on your hair. It dries clear and all that other stuff, and it does, but it just doesn't work for my hair to just to leave it on there because it'll shrink. My hair is not made, all hair is not created equally, okay? But anyway, so that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do to style my hair, because a lot of people ask me all the time, well, what you put in your hair, what you do to your hair, did you do something different to your hair? And this is what I do. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, once I get out the shower, see my hair is all nice and freshly washed. I'm going to take a t-shirt, and then when I hoodie, and put it on, put my head through the head part. I'll take it up, and I twist it. And I want that to just soak up some of the excess water. I don't want it to be completely bone dry, but I don't want it to be drenched either once I put in the leave-in conditioner. Here it is. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here right now because it smells like sweet potato pie. It really does smell like sweet potato pie. Like, you could eat it, but don't, because you can't. You can't eat it, but it smells so good. So I'm gonna let this sit here for about like 5 minutes. All right, it's been 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna take this off. You can see my hair is still wet, but not as wet as it was. So now I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner. My allergies are kicking my butt. I just sneezed like 5 times. And I'm only gonna use this much for my whole head because I'm gonna use the curling cream too. So I just like to comb it through. Okay. And I do both hands on each section, making sure I'm grabbing everything that's back there on that side. I'll do the other side. Oh my gosh. I need to take some allergy medicine because, woo, my allergies are kicking my butt today. All right. So making sure it's all getting through there. I might need a little bit more, just a little bit. It smells so good. that's making my hair. And now, let that sit for another 5 minutes or so. Put some clothes on, and then we'll get started twisting. All right. So, it's been longer than 5 minutes because my eyes were out of control. My sneezing was out of control, but hey, we're back. So, I'm gonna be using this, and it's the curling cream. I forgot to show y'all that I'll be using this too for my scalp. And it's the extra creamy hair and scalp oil. So let's see, let's get into it. I do use a lot of this when that's what it looks like. This is a new one. I used all the other one that I had. So let's see. All right. So, like I said, I do use a lot of this. So I'll take about that much and just lather it in my hair. That much. Because I kind of want it to be drenched. Kind of want it to be drenched. Okay. Look how that really defies your curls. See that? You see that? And as much as I wish that I could just soak my whole head in this, finger detangle, make your curls pop, and let it dry, because it does dry clear. And that's not what's going to happen to my hair. So I'm just going to do some twist all over my head until it dries. Okay? So I just section it off with my fingers. No big deal. And twist. Do run my fingers through it at the end and get some more product off and move on to the next piece. Now this one I can feel is already too loose, so I'll do it just a little bit tighter. But look, you see how I made that curl? Okay. Once I get to the end, I like to just coil it around my finger like that so that it will curl at the end. And then I just move on to the next piece. In the front, I tend to do them a little bit smaller than I do in the back. Just my personal preference for the aesthetic that I'm going for. this whole side and I'll be back. Okay, so I twisted this side. I did take that one in the front and split it into two. And I didn't do the back yet. I'm gonna do this side. And I can feel my hair already starting to dry. So I gotta hurry up. So again, take a lot. Smell it. It smells so good. Drench it in there. On some of them, like in the back and stuff, when I was twisting it, I did need to put a little bit more curling cream on it once I got to it. So keep that in mind if you didn't thoroughly get it on each piece yet. It's okay, you can always add more. You don't have to use this much product if you don't want to, but I like it. I like it. And so when I braid it instead of twist it, I just put it on my hand, and each piece I braid it down with it. But when I twist it, I do it like this. Why? I don't know. Okay. So then section off the piece you want to do. We'll see. And twist all the way down. Then we'll move on to the next side. And twist. Squeeze off excess and go to the next, okay? So I'll be back when my whole head is twisted. All right, so I'll twist it. And this is what it looks like. Now I take the scalp and hair oil, and it's hard like that. It's more like a solid, and it comes off like this. Still smells delicious. You warm it up in your hands and it will turn into like an oil completely. See? It's not greasy or anything like that. It's like a coconut oil, you know, if you warm up coconut oil, it'll turn into oil. And I just rub it on my hair. Make sure I'm rubbing it on my scalp. And some more. Warm it up. See? Just like that. And get it on my scalp, put some on the twist, and then we're done. So if I have to go somewhere immediately in the day, then I'll just leave this in for like an hour or two, take it out, see how it goes. My hair will still be a little damp, but if not, I'll leave it in overnight and wear it for the whole day next day. So I'm gonna see how long this lasts. We'll take it out tomorrow and we'll do updates throughout the week to see like how long this twist out lasts. But I love this. I love these. It smells good. All right, so we're gonna continue on with this video throughout the week. I'll do updates. All right, it is the next day and I took out all those twists and this is how it came out. This is before I finger detangle them, so I just like pull them apart, whatever, and we're gonna see how it turns out fully. But I really love it. Look at the definition in it. I really love it. So let's see. I'll be back with the final results. Okay, now I just finished finger detangling it, and these are the final results. I really like it. We're gonna see how long this lasts throughout the week. It's probably, I'm giving it like 3 days, maybe 3 to 4 days. Today's day 1, so this is what it looks like. I know it's gonna shrink a little bit for me taking showers and stuff like that and sleeping on it, but that's fine. But overall, I love it. I love this product, specifically the curling cream. It's gonna be a really long time to find something that I really liked, and I really like this. I already told you guys, I already went through one of them. This time I used the whole product line together, except for I don't have the drops anymore, but I used the leave-in conditioner, the shampoo, the curling cream, and the hair and scalp oil all together. And the difference that I do see is that my hair is a lot more hydrated this time than other times that I have done it previously. Okay, hello, this is what my twist out looks for day 5, and it's done. It's done. Surprised that it kept up that long. So I'm just gonna put a headband on today. Go try this if you want. It smells really good, and I think I'm gonna keep this always in stock at my house. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.